Learn daily use English sentences with Urdu translation. Listen and practice. Excuse me. Don't say anything. Did you do that? Not possible. What does it matter? Get well soon. Nobody knows. What a day. Swear on me. Give it a try. Keep waiting. No one is perfect. What else? You can't hide. It's a miracle. Eyes don't lie. If you want. Who would believe? Take my photo. Let me guess. Have a look. I have forgotten. Allow me. Is it for real? Don't test my patience. I'm running late. It's so hot outside. You do strange things. What does he like? How can I believe? Consider my advice. Move out of my way. He is so skinny. What a nonsense. Listen to your heart. Handle this matter. Where will you go? Repeat after me. Is it for me? Do you like to travel?